trying to be careful. I don't want. Oh, we're gonna. Oh my god, my doggies are getting crazy. Hola, hi, how are you? My name is Melina. Welcome to my channel. And if you clicked on this video, get ready to learn about makeup, plants, my life, and travel. But today, I am so excited. Oh my god. My first ever plant mail. Oh my god. I'm gonna unbox with you this beautiful plant that I ordered on eBay. And it got here early. And I rushed. And I said, I gotta get this plant before like letter 3 out of this box because it's been tortured and now I can't even talk because I'm so excited. It's been tortured enough. We need to open it already. And before you say anything like, oh my god, we saw your monstera, is that like the only leaf left out of your whole plant? No, you guys. This is my propagation that I did in an earlier video a couple weeks back. If y'all want to see that video, click on the link that I will provide. And yeah, so far I haven't checked on it. So you guys are guessing, what did you buy? What's in this box? Well, this beautiful box contains, let me read you a little passage, a little information. Let me tell you what it is, you guys. So first of all, what I ordered is a variegated arrowhead vine. It's a Syngonium podophyllum albo variegatum. Huh? Oh my god, I totally screwed up that name. But oh my god, I got it on eBay. And let me tell you the date. Today is, what's the date? Oh my god, today literally is September 11th. So my respects to that. I ordered her on the 6th. And it got shipped on the 7th and got delivered on the 10th. So 4 days. Oh my god. And it was UPS priority mail, which I've gotten in the past and it wasn't so good. I guess it just depends on the weather and I don't even know, but I was just hoping for the worst. So the seller is called Pine Face. And it has 100% positive feedback. They've been a member since 2007. So that's good. And that's awesome. Anyways, so it is labeled top and bottom.
I prefer the bottom.
And yeah. And she put a little sticker that says live plants keep from heat or cold. That is so sweet. Oh my god, I'm so nervous, so excited. Oh my god, I'm trying to be careful. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, you guys, so I see. Oh my god, I see foam. Should I just... Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I wanna like grab her, I wanna cut her, and 1 second. As I grab my handy dandy scissors. But I don't wanna hurt any leaves either, so. Okay, guys. Here it is. There's tape, there's... Oh my god, I see some leaves. I see a little brown. Okay, you guys, are y'all ready for the grand reveal? Okay, well, I got rid of this. You guys, here she is, you guys. Oh my god. Here she is, you guys. Oh my god, the leaves got a little bit. There is a new leaf unfolding. Oh my god, she is gorgeous. And I guess she did come in sphagnum moss. I kind of thought it was gonna be potted up, but it's looking healthy, you guys. The new leaf looks totally healthy. There she is. This leaf got squished a little bit. Oh my god, hopefully we can. I'm not gonna try to force her, but yeah, there she goes. And then this one looks great. The variegation is beautiful. It's so marbled. This one as well. And I'm like so nervous to look at the roots, you guys. I'm so nervous. I've never received a plant that was like in napkins and cotton. Oh my god, it has it actually came with a little bit of soil, you guys. Oh my god. Yeah, some of the roots kind of fell, you guys. I don't want. Oh. There she is, you guys. I'm gonna wash her and inspect the roots, but it looks like she has a few good roots. So you guys, I washed the roots. She does have a little root rot on here because she was literally just like, she came in a little soil and was wrapped up. I'm not too worried because she does have a new leaf. Hey you guys, as you saw in the video, the roots are pretty established. They're pretty good. So I made the decision to pot this Malia, oh my god. I made the decision to pot her up in this baby terracotta pot. Yeah. This is gonna be her new home, and she is an aroid, so I'm gonna use a well draining mix. And right now I only have orchid bark, I have cactus mix, and I have perlite. So I think that should be pretty good. We're gonna, oh my god, my doggies are getting crazy. I'm gonna mix it in here and then put it in the pot. As airy as possible. Oh my god, you guys, I'm really trying to hurry up. So I got the terracotta pot. I mixed the soil. And I'm gonna use a bamboo stick to help it go up. It's gonna be like my mini mini like support system. I might glue two. I might use a heat gun and glue a second one later on, or I don't know, or put some tape, right? Oh my god, that's a good idea. But anyways, oh my god, I'm just making a mess. Put some of the roots in there. I'll put it like this. There's the soil. There's the two leaves. There you go, you guys. So I'm just gonna put more soil around. Probably should have mixed a little more soil. I just threw it everywhere. Oh my god, I am so horrible, you guys. It's not a tie wrap, like little wire wrap. I guess that's what they're called. And I'm gonna tie it in the bottom here loosely for support, so she can just tie it a little bit. So here she is. I'm not gonna water her because she did have a little root rot, so I'm gonna let her chill and do her thing. And I'm gonna just put her, I don't know, it's been cloudy lately, so I'm probably gonna put her in my windowsill so she could get some light. And yeah, or I might put her on my the edge of the vanity and let her chill. If y'all have some tips to bring her back to health, let me know. I'm scared to put humidity on her. I'm scared to put her straight in grow lights. I'm just gonna let her chill for today. So that's my variegata, Syngonium variegata. And this was the Repot. It's pretty much nighttime now, and you guys, the weather beat me, but here she is. She is so beautiful. I potted her up. I love you guys, and let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, if y'all want to see more repots. And I'll definitely have another video just talking about her and going in depth of price and where I got her. If y'all want to see a video about that, let me know as well, because I know a lot of YouTubers don't tell you the price. But yeah, that'll be a different video. This is just a simple repot. I want to let her chill, and yeah, I'll do a more updated video when we have better lighting. Yeah, so here she is, a quick unboxing and repot, because I literally thought she was gonna come in a pot, but I guess not. I like purchasing plants that are kind of potted up because I did have a bad experience. You'll see in the future with Lekka. So yeah, I'm gonna let her chill, and if you like this video, please like it, engage in my channel, it helps me a lot, and comment, I already said comment, and subscribe to me. My name's Melina Glam. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep you updated on how she does. I love you guys. Mwah. Bye guys.